Monday, Team Kenwa. I'm hoping you had a fantastic midwinter break and a shortened week last week. Today's Math Monday video is hopefully going to help you feel a little bit more efficacious heading into Bridges and Number Corner, and also just be a catalyst for thinking around teaching mathematics. Sometimes when we have a new curricular resource, it can feel as though we are up against the clock. And so we're racing. And when we race, we end up doing a lot of the talking and a lot of the thinking. Jen York Barr reminds us that the person doing the talking is often the person doing the learning. So what does that mean? Well, Bridges is intended to be a dialogic tool, which means that students have the opportunity to persevere, participate in discourse. The discourse will allow them to develop strategies and engage in some amount of practice. The resource aligns really well with Hattie's, Fisher, and Fry's research around visible learning. In fact, Classroom Discourse has an effect size of 0.82. So what are some ideas to help us with Classroom Discourse? Well, remember the golden rule of 10 and 2. Meaning we should never do 10 minutes of talking without providing some opportunity for students to engage in dialogue. Having established turn and talk partners will allow students to not spend time trying to find a partner, but allow them to spend most of their time engaged in the mathematical talk. And finally, using sentence stems and visuals to support the talk. So what is it that we want students to talk about? Anchor that space with a chart or a visual and give them a sentence stem. Clear is kind, unclear is unkind, as Brene Brown would say. Perhaps Classroom Discourse is a problem of practice for you. If it is, or if you have another identified problem of practice, please know that I'm here to help, to walk alongside you. That doesn't mean I have the answers. It just means that I will be happy to dig in and engage in a coaching cycle with you. Remember, math is all around you. Have a fantastic week. Please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for all you do.